We are back. So I've built my body with only doing push-ups, and this is what I've built. Only push-ups. Let me show you what push-ups can do. Look at this. Not bad, is it? Look at those little muscles. Listen, I've only done push-ups. So what can I say? So just to tell you a little bit of story how I started. I would do push-ups like 3 years ago, something like that. But I would not do them consistently. Like I would get motivated for a few days or on max a week. And then I would forget about it. And then months later, I would remember, oh, now I need to do push-ups. And then I would do more push-ups. And then it was kind of like this until last year, in the beginning of last year, when I actually could say I was consistent with push-ups for 3 months straight. I did not miss a single day. That's something. I mean, considering me, someone who only did in the past push-ups for only 5 days, 1 week, and then I would forget about it. And then obviously I was kind of trying to do it like before that stage where I did it for 3 months without missing a single day. Average was 200 push-ups a day. There were some days where I did 500, some days where I did 400, 300 a day. Anyway, that was the time where I did it consistently. And this is what I've built. Like, look at this. Is this bad by any means? Is this bad? Probably not. I mean, yeah, these muscles are not that, I mean, they're not bad by any means. And I've only done push-ups. Isn't that surprising? Now, I can't say 100% push-ups though. I would say 95% push-ups. Because I do remember there were some days where I would do pull-ups. Some days where I would fill my bag with bags, with books, and then I would, use it as a dumbbell, but not that much, very less. And that has not done much of, that has not given much progress to me. I mean, from looking at that, like, because I did not do it that much, and most of the things which I did in terms of exercise is only push-ups, 95 to 97% push-ups, right? So, and to be honest, I am I am surprised by my own, like, I was surprised that I've only done push-ups, and you do get a little bit surprised. You only been doing push-ups, and this is something that push-ups can do. Isn't that good? The one thing I would say, I was doing mostly decline push-ups last year. This is another thing. I was not consistent all year, only for around 3 months. Then some months I would do it, then I would forget about it. And I'm kind of getting back on track now. And the other thing, I have been fasting for the past almost close to a month every single day. So obviously I don't eat that much. I don't eat protein shakes and all of these different kind of things. I'm a normal person. Obviously I do need to eat that, but like, if this is what you can build by just doing push-ups, you can build a lot more if you can do push-ups and a little bit more exercises. Now, I would say one thing, I've just done a little bit of moving, kind of, anyway. So if I can build something like this, it's not bad by any means. Like, look at this. Is this bad? Look at this. Is this bad by any means? Probably not. Like, look at this. I mean, I've got some quotes here. Quotes, you know what I mean. I don't know if that's what they say. I mean, I can't fully say that, but like, not bad by any means. Like, look at this. Is this bad by any means? Probably not. So, if I can do this, this is when people say to you, if I can do this, you can too. But that's what's the reality. And I have one thing I would say, I've not done this consistently for a long time. The only stage where I was consistent was only the first, I would say, from the last year, February till a few, like 3 months later. That would be February, March, April, yeah, around that time. And then I forgot about it. No, I didn't forget about it. Some things happened in my life, and they kind of something happened in my life that kind of made me stop, like, how, I wouldn't say stop, but like I was not able to do it. That is an excuse, but I at least did something, and this shows there are results here. Like, look at that. But anyway, I'm not gonna speak more, but like 11 minutes. Anyway, if you can get a body like this with just doing push-ups, and this is another thing, I don't eat things which, you see people, oh, eat this, drink this shake, do this. There's nothing wrong with that, but I am saying that I did not eat anything like that, and this is not a bad progress by any means. Like, look at this. So if I can do this, if I can do this, you can too as well. But obviously, it will take time. I mean, it's not like I just got it after doing. I'm like, I would do it, but then I would forget about it. But then I would do it, then I would forget about it. Anyway, that's that. Just start push-ups. You have a reason now. You probably were looking for a reason. I've done 95% of the exercise. If another thing, if I had not done the exercise, what are the exercises which I did, which were very less? A little bit of push-ups. What else? A little bit of, this, kind of using a bag filled with books as a dumbbell. That's all I did. That's all I did. And with like that would be 3%, which is not a lot, and very, very less. 95 to 97% of this side, which is push-ups. Though mostly I would say decline push-ups. So if I can do that, you don't have an excuse now. Start today. One thing to remember, start slow. Let's say you can do 15 push-ups today in one row. Do 5. Then do 5 the next day. Do 5 the next. I know it's a stupid thing to say, but like, not stupid things to say, but this is how I did it. In a row at that time, I could do, like, when I started to get it consistent in it last year, I would do around 40 to 50. Not like that was, I could have done 20, like I could do more than around 50 in a row, but I would do around 20, then 20, I kind of did that. 20 in a row, then 20 in a row, something like that. But if you can, like, let's say I can do 50 push-ups in a row, try to do 25 in a row. Then don't push yourself. Do the easy thing first. Do it for at least a month, because it's easier for you to do. You don't have to push yourself that much. And there will be days, and I can talk more about it, but I'll make a video about that. But there will be days where you won't do it. There were days where I did not do it for 10 days, but I still came back. I didn't say, oh yeah, I quit. I'm a loser. Everyone's a loser, at least at certain points in their life. But I still came back. That's why I was able to do it for at least 3 months. So that's that for this video. Let me show you again so you have proof. The push-ups can do a lot more. Look at this, right? Yeah, so that's that. See you later.